Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY solid perfume at home. This is a beginner-friendly formula that incorporates some natural ingredients. Not only that, but it is a perfect travel companion. So let me go ahead and walk you through the step-by-step process and how I create this. To create this solid perfume, I'm first going to start by creating the base, and what I'm using today is beeswax. Beeswax will help to create a very solid structure or shape to this balm, and it's also going to help to act as an emulsifier, which is going to bind our essential oils together. After adding the beeswax, I'm now going to go ahead and weigh out some sunflower oil. This is a carrier oil. It will help to moisturize and soften the skin, but what it does in the perfume itself is it's going to give it a nice light texture. It does not have a scent. It will help to dilute the essential oils, making them less potent and more gentler on the skin. Once I have added the sunflower oil, I'm going to go ahead and cover this with tin foil, and I'll be placing this on my double boiler. This is going to simmer until that wax is completely melted. That wax is now melted, so I'm going to go ahead and add some mandarin essential oil, followed by some ginger essential oil. This has a very exotic scent to it. And then my last essential oil that I'm going to be adding in today's formula is myrrh essential oil. Now, the three combined give the perfume a very exotic, woodsy, but yet citrusy, sweet scent to it. Once I've added my essential oils, I'm going to remove this from my scale, and I'll be stirring this. You want to do this all really quickly because you don't want it to set and start hardening on you. It's now time to go ahead and pour everything into my container. And again, you want to do this quickly. You don't want it to harden. Once you've poured everything in, you're going to allow this to sit and completely cool. This is what mine looks like at this point. And once it's completely cooled, you can go ahead and use. Once completely cool, this is what yours should look like. This is how I use this solid perfume. So what I do is I take my finger and I just rub it in the balm until I've acquired enough of the scent that I want to apply. I apply it to one of my wrists and then rub both my wrists together. And there you have it. You have made a solid perfume at home. I'm now going to go ahead before I end this video and go over some substitutions. These are recommendations that I personally have used in the past that I have liked in a perfume. This is not an extensive list, but it'll give you some good options for you to use. So first, let's start with the sunflower oil. You can use one of the following in place of, you can use jojoba oil, almond oil, safflower oil, or fractionated coconut oil. Now, when it comes to the beeswax, you can either use carinaba wax or candula wax. And then some options for the scent. Now, this is not limited to just these, but if you're wanting to get a similar scent profile like the one that I use today, this is what I've done in the past. I've used juniper berry, vetiver, and tangerine essential oils. Now again, play around with the scent, get something that you enjoy and you like, and use that. And this makes approximately 10 grams of product. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.